Hey, what's up? Are you looking for a way to make some money? Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make $10 per hour from your smartphone. So if you got an Android or you got an iPhone, this video is going to be great for you. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. And if this is your first time to my channel, on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge. So here is my channel. Feel free to come through here. If you don't see what you're looking for, always leave in the comments and I can answer your questions as best as possible, because I like to engage with you so that way I can point you in the right direction. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description if you want to make a good amount of money, make some passive income, and start your own online business. For my regulars, happy to have you here. And for my brand new people, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and make sure you turn on that bell notification. So make $10 from your phone. This is good. I'm going to share with you the website, so watch this all the way to the end. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is ClickWorker. So if you want to do some analyzing with video, data, maybe there are some photos or some documents, this is a great website. So they're hiring people all over. I do believe they hire internationals, but you could come on here and you could definitely check it out. So you can go to the FAQ, and this is the website, and I'm going to show you that they do make an app. So this is brand new that they have the app. They have it on the App Store, ClickWorker, earn money on the go. On here, they have a 4.2 out of 5 rating so far. So people are already downloading the app and using it. So the app is free. You can download it. And they also have it here on Android in the Play Store. So come on here. On here, there's a 3.7 stars. So feel free to come through here and read the comments. Of course, you want to always try, you want to test it and see how it works. But I know this website is a legitimate website. It's been up for a while, but they just released the app, because I know a lot of people, they don't have a computer. So that's why I created this video, to let you know that you can go ahead and you can get started right away just by using the app. And I'm sure it's in their early stage of things. Maybe most things are not working properly, but just try it out. So if you can see here, if you want to click work a job, you could just click on here and you can check out their term clicker and requirements that they're looking for. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, they do different data entry jobs for a lot of people. So you can earn $10 per hour just by doing this. But of course, if you're looking for a better way how to make more money, of course, check out the first link in the description. So if you look through here, you can see all the type of different data entry things that they participate in. And there's a little pop-up that's coming up. So international, large workforce, extensive expertise, quality assured, and they're trusted by a lot of large company. T-Mobile, Honda, ShareWise, those are some huge companies. And if you keep scrolling all the way down, you can see some great reviews. If you want to become a click worker, you could just click on here. Register as a click worker. Once you register, you profit from your talent, as you can see here. And you could sign up right away, categorize. So you could do like some survey, you correct text, participate in surveys, do search, categorize data for us. So you can work whatever time you schedule your own hours, and all you got to do is sign up for free. You don't need money to sign up. And as I mentioned before, this is where you can download the app, and you could get started right away, and you can start to earn money, and they will pay you via PayPal, because that's how they pay you. So you do some proofreading, you do surveys, you do web searching, you creation of text, data organization, you copy editing, photos, you also do apps. So they're gonna give you like some different micro jobs that you can complete. So how it works, you sign up for it, you fill out your user profile, complete short assessments, good results, ensure many jobs, process your jobs online, and you get paid weekly or on a monthly basis. So you get paid via PayPal right away, They got 24 hours support. So you can reach out to them and you can get started right away. So if you're looking for a way how you can make some money from your phone where you can earn $10 or so, check out this Click Worker from your phone. So get started right away and check out my #1 recommendation in the description if you guys want to find a way how to make way more money. My name is Andre, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.